Hi everyone. Today I will be explaining you how can a student attempt an ELP. So basically the student has to log in into the platform with the respective credentials. So after logging in, this is the home page. So here on the left hand side we can see the features. So here under ELP we have a feature called My ELP. So we have to click on this My ELP, and these are all the chapters which are triggered by the teacher. So you have to select a particular chapter, and here we can see the 5 elements: listening, speaking, reading, vocabulary and grammar. So first I'll show you how to attempt listening. So we have to click on the start option, and here the student has to listen to this recording. After listening to the complete recording, then he has to start answering the questions. So once after clicking on the option, you have to click on next. So this is how he has to answer the questions, and then he has to submit it. So once this is done, this red color option will turn into the green icon. So the next one is speaking. So the student has to click on speaking, and the student has to record the particular sentence in his own voice. Suppose if the student cannot directly pronounce this particular sentence, so he can record this, he can listen to this recording which is already provided. So once after listening to the recording, he can start recording it. Summer vacation. So this is how he can record it, and the student can listen to the recording. If he is okay with the recording, he can save it, or else he can delete it and re-record it. So once this is saved, he can click on next, and he can follow the same procedure. So once after attempting all the questions, the student can click on the submit option. And the next one is reading. So if you click on reading, so here on the top we'll have a paragraph. So the student has to go through the paragraph. After going through the paragraph, the student can answer the questions. So once after attempting all the questions, the student has to click on the submit option. And the next one is vocabulary. The student has to click on the start option. You have to read the particular question. You have to click on this particular option and drag it and drop it. So this is how the student has to attempt the questions. So once after attempting all the questions, the student has to submit it. And the next one is grammar. In the grammar also, we have the same feature called drag and drop kind of options. So we have to click on the particular option, and we have to drag it and drop it over here. Once the student attempt all the questions, he has to click on the submit option. So this is how the student has to attempt the particular ELP.